Time now for a look at your health. Smoking is the world's leading cause of preventable death, and now the government is releasing startling facts about secondhand smoke. Here to fill us in is Dr. Mitchel Goldman from UCSD. Thank you for being here. Now, secondhand smoke is not something new to us, but why are these numbers kind of new?
We're just learning more and more about the potential dangers of secondhand smoke. You know, smoking in cigarettes has about 4,000 different chemicals. 60 of those chemicals can actually cause cancer. So in this country alone, about 3,600 people a year die from lung cancer from their spouses or loved ones
from
who are
someone
smoking.
else's habit.
Absolutely, but more importantly than that, the smoke in the air can actually help to constrict your arteries in your heart, and there's 46,000 patients a year die from heart disease from secondhand smoke.
That's remarkable. Now, what does this mean for children who might be living in a house with a parent who smokes?
Well, unfortunately, that's the absolute worst. When children are exposed to secondhand smoke, they have more incidents of pneumonia, ear infections, asthma. Especially if your children have asthma, the smoke is going to send them to the hospital with an asthmatic attack, and then babies less than 18 months of age will be more prone to sudden infant death syndrome, the SID syndrome.
And who would think that there's a link between secondhand smoke and something like that?
But it's very, very important. So it's important not to be exposed to secondhand smoke. More important if you have children in the home.
And quickly, something came up in the news. Fox 5 covered it. Third-hand smoke. What is that?
Well, that's when you go to like a hotel room and people have been smoking in the hotel room, and then you check in and you go, wow, there's some smoke in here. The same residual chemicals that were in secondhand smoke are in the hotel, and so people with asthma are going to have more problems with their breathing in a room that had smoke in it hours ago.
And who knew that it's not enough for just us personally not to smoke? You need to just really be away from people who smoke.
Especially with children.
All right. Well, how can we protect ourselves then from secondhand smoke?
Well, the most important thing is almost every state in the United States now has laws preventing you from being in a workplace with smoke or a restaurant. And like we were talking off air with your children, well, if you go by someone that's smoking, just hold your nose.
They do. We walk by someone smoking and they go, oh, that's bad. And then they both hold their breath. And
well,
I
good
think,
for them.
Yeah. But I had no idea that it was that big of a deal, I'll be honest.
It really is. And worldwide, 3 million people die from secondhand smoke. So this is a major problem worldwide.
Well, thank you for bringing us the numbers. Very interesting.
It's good
Always
to be
good
here.
to see you, Dr. G. He'll be back next Tuesday.